Hi there, students. Left field. Okay, this can be a noun or it can also be an adjective. Let's see, we use left field in two different ways. Well, literally left field is the left part of a baseball field as you look at it. But we use this figuratively in two ways. If something comes out of left field, it's unexpected. Yeah, you weren't expecting it. It was a surprise. And if something is left field, it's unusual. It's unexpected. And if you use it as an adjective, it gives this idea of unusual. Okay, so the comments came out of left field. I wasn't expecting them. There were all sorts of complaints coming out of left field that I just wasn't ready for. Okay, and then left field. Okay, so something very unusual. Something that is out in left field. So his ideas really are out in left field, but they're a lot of fun. They're very unusual. They're very different from what other people do. Okay, so left field, surprisingly unconventional in style. Yeah, something that's experimental. So left field music. Yeah, it's radical, it's experimental, it's different. Yeah, his artistic style is very left field, it's very unusual. Okay, so left field from baseball. I think the origin of this is that when the ball is thrown in from left field, the person running doesn't see this very well and they don't expect it. That's the origin I've heard, at least. Okay, so questions come out of left field. I wasn't surprising it. His anger really came out of left field. I thought he'd be really happy. Yeah, the public reaction was really out of left field. It was not what the company was expecting. And then a very left field attitude as an adjective, something very unusual, very different. Yeah, he has very left field ideas, strange, unusual, not what you would normally expect. Yeah, so well, yeah, left field. Yeah, something unusual or different from what is normally seen or said or done. So there were quite a few left field performers that you don't see at mainstream events. Yeah. When I saw you there, it came completely out of left field because I really didn't expect to see you here. Okay, so formality. I'm going to give this a 4 in formality. Use it informally. You could just about use it semi-formally in a conversation, but I wouldn't use it in anything more formal than that. So notice this is a phrase of American origin. It's clearly linked to baseball, and the left field is the far left-hand side of the field as you're looking at it, if the batter is right-handed, that is. Okay, so out of left field. Yeah, his angry comments came out of left field. His ideas are really left field. They're unusual or strange. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Left field. Be out in left field. Come out of left field.